Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Anu Simple Art and Craft. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. And now I am showing you how to make a paper flower. So I am taking a yellow art paper. Now I am draw a line. This time I am cutting the extra part of the paper. I am taking a scale and I am holding this part. Now I am cut this portion. Now I am rolling this using a refill. Now I am taking a green marble paper. Now I am rolling this paper using a pencil and I am making a flower stick. Now I am patch this using glue. Now I am cut this extra part. Now I am taking these petals and patched with sticks using gum. Now I am rolling these petals on the sticks. I am taking a green color paper and I am showing you how to make paper flower leaf. Now I am patch these leaves with flower sticks using gum. My paper flower is ready. And guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.